Hi guys, this is Tony. We got northbound coming in. We got some more northbound activity going on. Let's see what's on this one. What could it be? Let's see if we can live on Nano and Alex and stuff. Watch out. Oh my god. CSX 52, 57, 55, 18. Ha ha ha. No. Ha ha. Y'all. Oh my god. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Wow! 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 How about that? CSX Auto Train Dinner, Denmark Road in Austin, Texas. Stay tuned for more stuff as NS 1226 is working its way. Bye.